this weekend we are going to the world-famous Windrock Off-Road Park in East Tennessee. We're going to meet up with some guys, Brady Overly, Nestor, two guys who have monster SAS trucks. Nestor just finished his up, and we're going to see if little Francine Kelly's Xterra can hang with the big boys. I don't know exactly what we're getting into. This isn't my deal. I haven't planned it. We're along for the ride, and we're gonna see what's going on. So I've learned a few things over the years. You just guys pack different than our female cohorts. So I let Miss Kelly pack the truck because if I do it,
you've done it wrong.
Yes, pretty much.
Well, let's be honest. That camping trip that you froze your ass off in. Did I help at all?
Which trip?
The one when you went with Corbin and you kept starting the Xterra?
That was like 10 years ago.
He packed himself and froze his ass off. So guess what? That's why I come into play.
So we are packing up the Podcast Xterra for some fun.
While Windrock Park may only be a few hours from Podcast Central, for Nestor and Joel, the trip is far more. Their journey starts in the lands of Orlando, Florida, a mere 12 hours on a good day. Brady's trip starts in Central Ohio. Both parties had difficulties leaving their home states as one, unmentioned, left their wallets at home and other was dealing with heavy traffic. As we pulled into Windrock, Nestor was itching to tell us stories from his first day of off-roading with his new SAS. As the final pieces of camp were set up for the night, and I walk around our truck, it dawned on me, I really need to get a winch in this hefty front bumper. As Nestor and Joel pull out the map for the day, choosing trails would be key. 16 and 11 were on our sights. 16 offering a 5-mile trek deep into the park with rock gardens, hill climbs, and one major obstacle at the end. 11, full of rock gardens, would be very challenging for Kelly's truck. And then, after months of planning, the unthinkable happens. As we each inspect our trucks, something occurred to Nestor. That crack should not be there. In his day, in his brand new SAS truck was done. As we hop in our trucks, shaken but not defeated, we enter into Trail 16.
fixed the chair repair yesterday to fix the broken arm. And then a new crack popped up.
I think after 10 years and four Rock Challenge wins?
Yes.
You're probably okay.
Yeah, I'm satisfied with my purchase.
With the weekend coming to its conclusion, trucks are then loaded on trailers, camps are broke down, and we say our final goodbyes. It won't be till Went 2018 that we get to see all the modifications and adjustments we've made. As we pull out of our campsite, a couple things are needed: air in the tires, fuel for the truck, and one last stop. As we reflect over the weekend, we sit back and enjoy one more meal. We reflect that this was Sydney's first trip and she had a great time, and then we make the long journey home.